Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert logo in Excel or Google Sheets. So if you want to insert your company logo inside a spreadsheet using a formula, in this full tutorial, I'll show you how you can do it in Google Sheets or Excel. So first, you can just get a public image link of your logo. You can upload it to your Google Drive, set it to public, and copy the shareable link, or you can also use a direct image URL. So for example, in here, I'm going to just use a random logo. Let's say this one's right here, and I'm going to copy the link of this image. So you can just click on copy image address. And here, let's go back to the spreadsheet and use the image function. You can just write image in here. You can just paste the link and use double quote first, like this, and then comma, and here 1. So this insert the image directly inside the cell. You can just tap on enter, and the image will be added like this. You can also resize or fit the image. If you want to control the size, you can add a second number. So for example, here I'm going to just go to click on enter, and it will be stretched following the size of the cells itself. You can also use a 3 if you want to go with original size, like this, or you can also use 4 if you want to plus a width and height to customize. Okay, I'm going to just go with 2 to make it stretch like the size of the cells. And so that's pretty much all. Now you can add your brand logo to any sheets like a pro. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button.